Today I'm making a cheesy and creamy beef and shells pasta that comes together in under 30 minutes, and the best thing is it comes together in one pot. To start it off, we're gonna dice one medium white onion. You can also use frozen chopped white onions if that's what you have on hand. Set your onions aside and heat a large pan over medium-high heat, and I'm using 90% lean ground beef, but you can use ground chicken or ground turkey, but I would add in some olive oil if you're using those, just because there's less fat. Once the meat is halfway browned, add in your diced onions and you'll let that saute for about another 1 minute to 2 minutes until it's aromatic. And then add in my crushed garlic, and I'm using this little garlic crusher, and you'll saute that for about another 30 seconds to a minute. For my seasonings, I've got some garlic powder, some onion powder, smoked paprika, and some crushed red pepper flakes. Let the seasoning saute a bit and bloom with the meat, and then you're going to make a little opening and add in your tomato paste and let that cook down for about another 2 minutes until it develops a deep red hue. For my beef broth, I love to dissolve the better than bouillon into my water, the beef one, but you can definitely just sub for beef broth that you have. And I'm also adding in 1 cup of your best marinara and half a cup of heavy cream. Combine until the heavy cream is fully incorporated into the sauce. And for the noodles, I love to use elbow pasta, but you could use cavatappi or even shells, which are closer to the hamburger helper version. And you'll just combine that, and then you're going to cover it and simmer it on medium. And while that's cooking, to save us some time and multitask, you're gonna go ahead and grate your cheese. I've got some sharp cheddar, and I'm also grating some mozzarella. And I do like to grate my own cheese because I find that the store-bought creates like a grainy sauce. The noodles should be done in about 10 to 15 minutes, but I would continuously check it and stir it. And if you run out of liquid, you can add in a little more heavy cream or a little bit more bone broth, about half a cup at a time. Once it's ready, you want to remove it from the heat and then slowly add in the cheese, making sure to stir in between so that it fully melts into the sauce. Once the cheese is fully melted, you're ready to serve it. You can top it with some fresh parsley, but I decided to leave mine out. And the best way to eat this is fresh, but if you do store it, the best way to reheat it is with a little heavy cream or water. I can't wait to try this. Oh man, look at that cheese pull. Yum. That is so yummy. I love the addition of the cheese. It's creamy and it comes together so quickly, which is perfect for weeknights. And there's a little nostalgia in there for me. It reminds me of a very American dish, which is hamburger helper, but way better. If you guys agree, let me know in the comments. Bon appetit.